2025 BMW 1 Series. What's new? In 2025, BMW has introduced the latest version of the 1 Series, marking the beginning of its fourth generation. The new 1 Series features updated styling, modern technology, and a new naming system for BMW's gasoline-powered models. However, this new model will not be available in the US, just like its predecessor. Engine options. The new 1 Series hatchback will come with 4 different powertrain options, 2 diesel engines and 2 gasoline engines. Here's a breakdown of the choices. Diesel engines. This engine produces 148 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. It's the least powerful option. 120D. This model has a more powerful engine, generating 161 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It features a 48-volt hybrid system, which provides better efficiency and performance. Gasoline engines. 120. This model has a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine combined with a 48-volt hybrid system and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It delivers 168 horsepower and 207 pound-feet of torque. M135. This is the most powerful option. It uses a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with a hybrid setup, similar to what's found in the BMW X1 M35i. It produces 296 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, allowing the hatchback to accelerate to 262 mph in about 4.9 seconds. Styling. The new 1 Series has received some styling updates, though they are quite subtle. The car features a smaller grille and sleeker headlights, which gives it a more refined look. However, the front end is rounded and blends into the roofline, creating a design that some may find less dynamic compared to the previous model. Interior features. The interior of the 2025 1 Series sees significant changes. The new model comes with 2 digital screens that run BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system, a 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a slightly larger 10.7-inch central infotainment system. New naming strategy. BMW is also introducing a new naming convention.